Are you looking for the best pellet grills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pellet grills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Boss PB150 PPG Tabletop Pellet Grill. The Boss Pellet Grill is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy tailgating, fishing, hiking, hunting, or camping. Its premium steel construction ensures durability, while the automatic startup and cool-down features make it easy to use, so you can focus on enjoying your meal. The digital control board with LED readout allows you to monitor and adjust temperatures effortlessly. Additionally, the porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates provide excellent heat retention and easy cleaning, making your grilling experience more enjoyable. What we like. Great for RV use. Ideal for tailgating. Easy to step up. Excellent cooking results. Number 2. KingChii Electric Wood Pellet Grill. The KingChii Pellet Grill offers precise temperature management with its advanced PID technology, allowing you to maintain a consistent cooking temperature between 180 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature ensures your meals are cooked to perfection without needing to frequently check the grill. Enjoy the rich flavor of wood-smoked food thanks to its 11-pound hopper capacity and innovative D2 feeding technology, which provides longer burning times. With a generous grilling area of 456 square inches, you can easily prepare multiple dishes at once, whether you're grilling burgers or roasting whole chickens. Plus, the grill's wheels make it easy to move around your backyard. What we like. Affordable price. Easy assembly. Good cooking results. Well packaged. Sturdy construction. What we don't like. Temperature control issues. Small cooking capacity. Number 3. DAMNISS 8-in-1 Wood Pellet Grill. The DAMNISS Pellet Grill offers impressive versatility with its 457 square in. Cooking space, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes at once or entertain a crowd. Enjoy precise cooking with its PID intelligent temperature control, which maintains consistent heat for perfect results every time. Made from durable stainless steel, this grill is built to withstand the elements and ensure long-lasting use. Plus, it uses premium wood pellets for a rich smoky flavor while being eco-friendly and energy efficient, making your outdoor cooking both enjoyable and responsible. What we like. Easy to assemble. Consistent temperature control. Great value for the price. Compact size for small groups. Efficient customer support. What we don't like. Smaller than expected. Occasional temperature fluctuations. Number 4. Traeger Tailgater 20 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Traeger Tailgater 20 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker is a portable wood pellet grill that has a temperature range of 180 to 450 Fahrenheit with precision temperature control. With its 6-in-1 versatility, it can grill, smoke, braise, roast, bake or barbecue. With a grill capacity of 300 SQ inches, it can hold up to 12 burgers, 3 racks of ribs or 2 whole chickens. Its easy fold legs make it easy to transport wherever you go, allowing you to enjoy wood-fired taste wherever your travels take you. What we like. Easy to use. Compact and portable. Good temperature control. Tender and juicy results. Simple assembly. What we don't like. Instructions could be clearer. Number 5. Z-Grills 700D6 Pro Pellet Grill. The Z-Grills 700D6 Pro offers an advanced grilling experience with its Gen version 2.1 PID controller, ensuring precise temperature control in any weather. You can easily cook for family gatherings with its ample 697 square in. Grilling area, capable of handling multiple dishes at once. The grill's 8-in-1 versatility allows you to smoke, sear, bake, and more, adapting to your culinary needs. Additionally, the dual-wall insulation helps maintain steady temperatures, enhancing heat retention and keeping your food warm longer after cooking. What we like. Precise temperature control. Large cooking capacity. Versatile cooking options. Enhanced heat retention.